Hello, my friends. I hope everyone is having a great week, getting some good trades in. I know I say this every week that it'll be a pretty short, quick, and dirty on these weekly reviews. This week, I mean it. This will be a shorter video than general. Really not a ton to say, especially if you have been following along and watching the old videos or in the daily live streams. Pivots really have not shifted. We just have one new area of interest to talk about. So quick review. Still, this 5305 primary pivot throughout the week. We obviously saw a little bit of bearishness Monday, Tuesday, testing back into our primary distribution and balance below at 45. This test was strongly bought up Monday and returned to our pivot. And then a look back in towards our 60, where we wanted to see sellers hold below for bearish continuation. Higher low observed, right back up into our pivot, then our pivot for the last 2-3 weeks. And then yesterday, on Wednesday, into today, on Thursday, we saw a look through our upper node. This was very important for buyers to accept back into this distribution, which they did. Traded through it and into our retest of our all-time high at 70. We did peak over just a bit, a couple points. This is still maintained as your kind of first target area. Now, the new area I want to talk about for this week is this LVN. So this upper node has built out quite a bit, especially with today's trading in our RTH session. We saw one little peak down below midday here, instantly bought back up and returned to balance. So I will go ahead and slap this in. But this is kind of your new primary pivot area, sitting here at around 50. Now, if we look back below, we can expect oscillations back down towards 20 and 30. We have some structure to clean up here with these big pushes, some kind of imbalances observed in this area, single prints on your TPO. But the main look is, can we hold this node? If yes, if we continue to hold, I think one more test is acceptable. Oops, I deleted too much. Bear with me. Put this line back on. So, like I was saying, one more test down into this node edge structure is okay. The lowest I'd like to see it is this 40. I think if we get into it, it makes sense to come back down towards this 30. To our kind of cumulative POC zone here, holding above 20, anywhere in this 10-point range, clean up some imbalances. But time spent here, bulls, you want to see it up and out. We still have measured move targets up towards 5,400. Once again, relying like Russell and Q structure, more particularly Russell structure, to dictate highs in these target areas. Measured moves do not mean much, except this is a rotation that makes sense to kind of see reversion off of. But other than that, like I said, pivots have not changed, right? All we've added is built out this node and put in a very strong low volume node, two very clear auctions between these areas. So holds in here, we want to see higher highs. We want to see them up towards 5,400. Bears, you want this under 50. We observe imbalance cleanup in this 20 to 30 area. And then 5305 is still your primary pivot. There is no reason that we don't do something like this tomorrow. There is also no reason that we couldn't see something like this. And let's be honest, with how kind of intraday trading has gone, there's no reason we don't see this either, right? So yeah, simple, quick, easy, under 5-minute video today. If you want more kind of insight on these areas, go watch old videos. As always, come check out our free live streams on YouTube. And for kind of more content with our weekly classes, things like that, come check out the Discord, where we're live every single day. And we are always here to help. So enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy your Friday trading. We will see what happens in the zone. Goodbye, my friends.